Heyo, new product from Young Nails. Hello, this is their new cover powder line, and there's 5. Oh, bump the camera. It's totally cool. Don't have to be perfect here. I'm going to show you these. So here, I'll take off the lids if they are not childproof. This one's Rosebud, so you can kind of see. I don't know why I'm singing to you. This is Taupe. So you can see them dry. We're going to do Earth next. I thought this was cool. They went into those earthy tones, and you can totally see it. Beige I'm kind of pumped about. It's supposed to be kind of like a cream, and it sure looks like it. And then this is Bare. So I am going to show you guys this wet, and I'm going to play with it and give you my thoughts. So be excited. Here we go. Let me grab my monomer and move these. Okay. So we're going to do Rosebud first. First thing I'm noticing when I go to pick this up is this is more dry than their normal cover powders. Usually cover powders come off as a little more, what's the word? Like they're the core instead of the fast cure. This I would say is in between it, just working with it a little bit here. There's a couple things I like to test with cover powders. This is working really well, and I'm just going to brush it down because I like to test how one ball melts into the other ball. Like if you can't do a one ball nail, are you going to get massive color line between or weird marbleizing or something? And look at that, you guys. It's pretty good. I mean, I could blend it a little bit more, and maybe I will. Here, I'll get a little more liquid on my brush and go in and pat that bad boy out. Hey, it blends pretty great. The other thing I'm noticing that I always check for with cover powders is the marbling. If they're going to marble, sometimes pastels marble and you can use it to your benefit for cool effects, but with cover powders you typically don't want it, and this looks really solid. So I'm impressed. There's Rosebud for you. Let's try another. Okay, this is Taupe, and again it's a little bit dry. I'm going to wipe it off. I'm going to do this again because I need more liquid on my brush and I don't need to drag as long. Work it a little more wet than you think. There we go. I'll speed it up too. Ah, this taupe is like that gray taupe. So gorgeous. Now cover powders are cool because you can do cutout designs, you can do full nail coverage. If somebody likes a neutral nail all the time, this is money. I used to use colored acrylics for every single little thing. So I've got some tricks up my sleeve I could show you with this, but I'm going to pat it out, trying to keep my fingers out of the way so you can see it. That is going to be a favorite, I am pretty sure. Okay, Taupe, let's see what's next. Earth. I know you all want to see this. So obviously it already has a little bit more yellow tone to it. Sped it up. Ooh, but it's nice, guys. It's kind of creamy. Again, it's not marbling or anything on us. What do y'all think about that? Y'all, like I have the right to use those awesome slangs. I wish I was more country than I am. But that's okay. Patting it out, it doesn't stick to the brush. It's got a nice consistency. Okay, beige. I'm pumped for this. I need a good creamy. I have tried to, oh, look how good this is. I have tried to mix these colors for years, and every once in a while it just ends up looking like fry sauce. If you're from Utah, you know what that is. It's mayo and ketchup mix. It's really good, by the way. You should try it. Anyway, that's freaking gorgeous. Nice creamy finish. Super beautiful. I could think of a million different things we could do with this beige. So, hey, Young Nails, I'm liking these. Okay, Bare. Bare's our last one. Now, this one I'm kind of intrigued with, and I'm right. I think this will be a go-to for Frombrays, that French ombre melt, for sure. I'm going to do, just to check it, I gotta check this bad boy. There we go. I'm going to see if it blends down well. Patting together because it was thin on the end. Hey, it does. It still goes pretty even. So I've been mixing a couple of their cover powders for a Frombre, and I think this might be my next go-to to try, so I don't have to mix them. So love it. There's a quick in shot of all of them. I will link below. I bought this as a set from my distributor, so I'll link her below, and she can ship to you anywhere in the US. But there they are. Beige, Bare, Rosebud, Taupe, and Earth. Pretty fantastic. Awesome job, Young Nails. You guys are kicking butt.